It's a Kindle Fire HD 7 third generation. I think they were made around, between 2012, 2014 maybe. I don't know, it's had a long time, but it has a mild issue that it spins. Well, that's not good. A normal Kindle will not spin. This one's bloated as heck. So we're gonna dismantle this thing and order the battery. What was it? Yeah, like 15 bucks. You can buy one of these practically for that anyway now. But yeah, so we got a interesting little bag of tools. Can't get into it. What we got on down here? Well, we got a piece of sticky tape. Like massive amounts of little torque bits. Phillips. A flathead. That's like a SIM card remover. That's weird. Huh. Well, I guess maybe the newer models have SIM cards. Oh, that cheap ass spudgy thing. Oh well. Oh, cut your nails. Yeah, whatever, lady. Or man, Karen, or don't leave comments like that. You're gonna leave comments about my fingernails. Just move on, please. They're tools. I worked more than 3 minutes break time. Thing for our screws. So we will descrew this very carefully because this is about the crappiest quality screwdriver. 6, they all look the same length. Will it shut off? No. How do you get into this sucker? There was screws. No, that's all one piece. tabs seem to maybe be a little shorter on the top. Oh, it's glued the fuck together too. Really? That's the problem. Hey, there is stuff stuck in there. Damn it. I don't guess they really wanted you to get into this thing. Yeah, it's freaking glued together. Oh, are you kidding? Glued together. You're kidding. The heck? Okay. Woohoo! Oh, here we are back at it. A week later. Because, I don't know, I ordered the wrong battery or they sent the wrong battery. I haven't bothered to check. Such is life. Oh, this one only got, well, I got two smudgy things. These are green. And a screwdriver. See if this battery, oh, this one's in an actual electrostatic bag. The other one was in, was it bubble wrap or some crap? Oh, well, this looks promising. Oh, jeez. Really? I mean, sticky on this battery is just too much. Okay, how do we get this thing out of here? Hey, we'll try this new one. Is this even the right one? No, no, it's not. Oh, boy, too much coffee. Yeah. I don't know, I'm on my second pot, probably. Oh, crap. There goes my screws. You only need a few of them. And, of course, the stupid camera stops recording. No telling when, but back at it. Do it, dirt. Yeah, darn women, I swear. Can't bury them in the backyard. Like, oh my god. We didn't mess around. This is some nice adhesive. Alright, well, we got the stupid thing out. See, a little aggression helps. You know. Let the world piss you off, not the device. It's not the device's fault. boy. So I'm probably no. It just would not let you do that. That would make sense, even though like maybe if it had a little plate and you could. Never mind. That would make sense. So you gotta take out all these stupid screws. Oh, I'm sure that's got to be glued down too, right? Because this is Amazon. Make me pull this whole freaking board out. There's no reason to pull this whole freaking board out. But no, we glued this down too. Oh, Lord have mercy. Pull that whole freaking board out. And there's one screw hiding in the corner in there. Yeah, there is. It's going to be under this ribbon, isn't it? Oh yeah, of course. There's a screw under the ribbon. Do that. Cut this piece of shit out of there. Unbelievable. Yeah, glued it. It's glued in. Everything's freaking glued in. Typical. Ooh, look at that, it fits. Oh, now the sticky won't stick. Voila. I got all 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. Well. Let's do a quick testorino. Alright. Oh, Kindle. Fire. Holy moly. Fire. Voila. See if we get a sound here. Mute. Hey, it's got sound. Okay.
My next victim here
Motorola AM tube radio repair. Who is this? X-Ray Tony.
Really
That's a good channel.
White plastic case, and it's kind of dirty, filthy, but should be pretty interesting. Looks like a standard All-American 5. I've never taken it apart yet.
All right. Sold.